Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video and this time it is Degustabox, and this is what it looks like. This is how it arrives. It arrived this morning by courier. They send you a text to let you know that it's on its way. They give you a time slot, so if you're not going to be in, you can rearrange for another day, or you can arrange to be left at a neighbour or a safe place, which is really handy. So as always, if you've seen this all before and you just want to see what I've got inside this month's box, I'll add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. But if you're new to Degustabox and you'd like to know a little bit about it, costs, what you get, etc., then I will explain. So Degustabox is a food monthly subscription box. It costs £12.99 a month and you can cancel any time. Now inside the box you get between 10 to 15 products. They're usually new up and coming products that haven't yet been released into shops, and there's always a theme as well. This month's theme is recoveries. I do have a refer a friend code which entitle you to have £5 off your first box and a free gift, and that is Diary 5. I will link that down below. All information related to this box I will link down below, the subscription, the website and everything, and my code. Just click on the show more underneath this video and that will bring up more information in my description, and it'll all be down there if you're interested. If you have Degustabox yourself, don't forget to share your code, because if 2 people use your code it means you will receive a free box. My boxes are currently free because you lovely lot have been using my code. So if you get Degustabox yourself, then make sure you share your codes on your social media or friends or emails or whatever, because you never know, a free box is a free box, isn't it? It's well worth it. So inside you get a mix of food products. You get a lot of health foods, you get a lot of sweet treats so a bit of a contrast there, but you also get a lot of like dairy free, gluten free products, some vegan as well. They're not solely those type of foods, but there's a good mix in there. So if you're a family that has different dietary needs, then this box will suit you, because tends to be bits for everyone really. I'm currently on an autoimmune protocol diet and it is super restrictive. Think paleo but a bit harder. I'm okay, I've done it before and it just makes me feel absolutely wonderful. So I'm not expecting to find much items in this box that I can eat, but I'm hopeful that there might be 1 or 2 things, so hopefully, or else my kids will have it anyway. My kids absolutely love it. So when you sign up you get a chance to personalise your subscription a little bit. I can't remember this now because it was a long time ago, but I believe there's questions there whether you would like alcohol in your box or not. I obviously have chosen yes, because I get alcohol nearly every month. But other people have had like other alternatives then, and fruit juices and things like that. So yeah, so I think that's all the information. If I've missed anything out I will link it down below. But let's open it up. So it's very light. Look how light this is. Normally it's like, oh, but no, this is super light this month. This is what it looks like. See here it's bubble wrapped, which is good. And on top of this was the leaflet that I pulled out earlier on, which I'll refer to as we go along. But I'll give you a quick glimpse into what the box looks like. So the theme for this month, which I think I told you at the start, is called Recovery. And inside we've got 11 food products. Now I will tot them up at the end, give you an overall price, because I like to know how much all the items would cost compared to the actual cost that you paid for the box. So let's start with the first item. So we got Vita Protein, red quinoa and seaweed. No, not seaweed, sesame. I love the packaging, really funky and bright. And no, really nice. I know my husband is well into his protein thingies. He's got loads of protein bars, protein shakes, a lot. He's a cyclist and he's really getting into it. So, and it comes in 5 packs of 4 slices, which is good. Oh, let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so good. Look. See, individual packs. Oh my word, that would make an amazing like packed lunch with a little tub of, you know, you get those Philadelphia tiny little tubs. You get like a pack of 4 of them, I think, or something like that. Well, a little tub of that, a tomato, a knife, and a pack of these, and you're sorted, aren't you? Oh, it's a shame I can't eat them at the moment, but I know my husband will like them. Maybe my children will as well. So what's it say here? So the recommended retail price for these are £1.59. We hope you enjoy new Vita Protein. Each crunchy slice is baked with pea protein and rye, making them high in protein, high in fibre and suitable for vegans. Try hummus or your favourite veg for an easy protein packed lunch. Available in the crackers aisle of all good supermarkets. So no, really chuffed with those. So that's our first item. Second item, we've got chocolate bars. What are these? These are Pickups milk chocolate. So there's 5 chocolate bars in there. I've seen these before. so I don't think they're a new product. But what's it saying? No added preservatives, artificial colours and hydrogenated fats. And there's 5 times 140 grams in it. Snack on the go type thing. Ooh. So we've got 5 of those little bars in there. Chocolate sandwich biscuits. So what's the information say here? The recommended retail price for these are £1.69. Pick-up bars by Belsen are a delicious combination of a thick and smooth milk chocolate slab sandwiched between 2 crunchy biscuits. They're perfect for snacking on the go due to their individual wrapping and are great to pick up whenever you need a treat. So that's the second item. Third item, we've got a packet of Pipers made by farmers. Mata Pania, Krispies. Mata Pania Krispies, and there's 91 calories. So I think these are pea crisps. That's what that looks like there. What do they say? So the recommended retail price for these are £1, and it says for a tasty, low-calorie, vegetarian snack, look no further than Piper's Krispies. Krispies are a fresh take on the British pea, offering protein, fibre and only 91 calories per pack. And they're gluten-free, wheat-free and barley-free snack. Oh, I'm going to look into that. Oh, I can't have any spices or dairy, and yeah, it contains spices and it contains milk. Never mind. Next item, and we've got a Miso Tacy original ramen noodle meal kit. So this serves 2, and there's 2 servings, and it says add your own toppings. It's new, it's vegetarian, ready in 6 minutes, and it's 2 times non-fried noodle nests, Miso Tacy white miso pastes, seaweed and spring onion garnishes, sesame seeds and sesame oils, toasted sesame and miso. And that's what the outside looks like. So this is a brand new kit, but we have had this before. Not this, we have had a smaller version, like a cup of soup type thing, which I'd imagine it to be the same, but this is more like a meal, and in all honesty I didn't like it. Not for me. I don't know if it's the same flavour or not, I'm not sure. I'd be interested to see what one of the other members of the family will think of it, because I don't think they tried the last ones. So this is, the recommended retail price for this is £3.50, and it says Miso Tacy's take on the classic Japanese dish, hailed as one of Japanese top inventions, the ramen noodle. With non-fried noodles, it is a comforting meal with a light base for our signature miso. Include sesame oils and toasted sesame seeds for extra flavour. Simply add your own toppings. So that might be quite nice actually. So that's our 4th item, I think. Next we've got some Kalo lightly salted low-fat corn cakes. Now I've had these before when I was gluten-free, and they're really nice. That's what that looks like there. Oh, so it comes in 2, so we'll either get these ones or you would get lightly salted rice cakes. So the recommended retail price for these is £1.30, and it says Kalos range of rice and corn cakes provide the perfect New Year snacks to get you back on track. At only 30 calories per cake, less than 3% fat and all gluten-free, they make the perfect base for a delicious topping. Next we got 2 items that are the same, and we have got Hartley's Black Forest Gatto flavoured jelly, and we've got lemon cheesecake flavoured jelly. Oh wow, these are 10 calories each. That's what they look like there. Here you go. Got those 2. That's what they look like. I can have these. I can have these. So which one would I go for first? Lemon cheesecake all the way, I think. So these will cost you 75p each. These puds are perfect for an after dinner sweet treat, and with fewer than 10 calories per jelly pot are ideal for avoiding any New Year resolution diet wobbles. Next we've got a little bottle of something. What is this? Willys ACV. Oh, apple cider vinegar. Brilliant. With the mother. Delicious as a tonic or a dressing. Oh wow, this is really unusual. And it says attention, always dilute before drinking. And this is a 50ml, and it's raw, unpasteurized, guilt and gluten free. So that's what we got there. I love this. I use it with everything. I make my own dressing. I mix cider vinegar with olive oil or oregano, crushed garlic and lemon juice, and it gives me a bit like a Greek type sort of dressing, but it's AIP friendly and I love it. And yeah, I go through a ton of apple cider vinegar, so this will be quite nice to try actually. So what's it say here? I like the little bottle that it comes in. So this will cost you £2.95, and it says Willys ACV starts life amongst the 200 acres of pristine orchards in the beautiful Herefordshire countryside. From apple to bottles, Willys ACV provides you with your daily dose of probiotic goodness. Our raw and unpasteurized ACV contains the mother and is sustainable and recyclable. What does the mother mean? Contains the mother. If any of you know, please let me know. So that's that item. I thought we had 11 items in this box, but we haven't. We've got 13 because we've got 3 of these bars. So 3 yes bars. So the blue one, we have got Tempting Dark Choc, Sea Salt and Almond Nut Bar. And then we got a Lively Lemon, Quinoa and Chili Fruit Bar, the yellow one. And then lastly, we've got a Delightful Coffee Dark Chocolate and Cherry Nut Bar. Unfortunately, I can't have any of those because I can't have nuts. I'm going to stop talking about what I can and can't have because I'm sure it's boring the pants off you. So I'll just show you. But I know who would love these. My husband would, because he buys a ton of these. As I said, protein snacks and stuff, and he's got like a backpack full of these type of bars. So yeah, so what do these say then? So these will cost you £1.20 each, and it says, they're delicious, wholesome and perfect for snacking on the go. Our fruit bars contain no added sugar and they are 1 of your 5 a day. Our nut bars contain 5 grams of sugar and are a source of protein. So there's those. Actually, we've got 14 items altogether because we've got 2 of these things. And what are these? PB Fit Peanut Butter Powder, vegan, gluten-free protein. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll show you first. I've never seen those before, but that's what they look like. They're 24-gram pouches, and yeah, what are they? Gluten peanut butter powder. So would you mix them into like milk or yogurt to make a smoothie maybe? Oh, there's a recipe on the back of this card, look, and it's featuring this. And it's to make a PB Fit berry smoothie. Ah, right, okay. Frozen berries, 2 packets of these, milk or a milk substitute, and a coconut sugar or another sweetener. Ooh, okay, so it's like, yeah, it's a protein powder to make your own milkshake smoothie type things. So another 2 for my husband. So this would cost you 75p each, and it says PB Fit is everything you love about peanut butter made better. Whole roasted peanuts pressed to perfection means PB Fit contains up to 90% less fat than traditional peanut butter and about 1/3 of the calories. Great in smoothies, shakes, baking and more. And lastly, we've got a familiar. We've had these a few times, and there's just one of these, and it's Lio Bites, and this is apple 100% natural fruit crisps, and this is a 10-gram bag, and I can eat these because it's just apple. And I promised I wasn't going to mention anything about that, was I? Never mind. Never mind. So in the box you would either get these ones, which are apple, or you'd get strawberry. They're freeze-dried crisps, and they would cost you £1.50 each for the pouch or for the bag. And it says Lio Bites are healthy fruit crisps for the whole family to enjoy. We pick fresh fruit in season and freeze-dry it to create delicious low bites full of flavour, vitamins and antioxidants. I think I tried one which is mango and I didn't like it. I'm sure it's the same brand, but never mind. So those are all the items. I can't gather them up and show you, but we've got 14 items in total. So I'm just going to tot it all up and I'll come back to you. Now my maths is not great. I've got something called dyscalculia, so it is a bit of a nightmare for me. Numbers, they don't mix. But I think it's worth around £20. I will use a calculator and I will tot it up, and I'll add that in the description. So if you want to see what a mess in calculating I've just done, then you're welcome to take a look there. But it's around £20. So the box costs £12.99, so not a massive saving on the products this month, but still it's over the cost of the actual box you paid for. But my thoughts about it this month is that yes, you can definitely see it's a type of recovery box, January, healthy eating. Yeah, they've got loads of stuff there, the apple cider vinegar, the Vita, the jelly pots. The only thing that doesn't make any sense is the chocolate bars, but I'm assuming because they pack of 5 small ones, got to have a treat, haven't you? You've got to put a treat in there somewhere, but no alcohol this month. So yeah, dry January and all that, I think, isn't it? Not too bad, but I think we've had a few familiars. I think the Yes bars we've had before, the Lio Bites we've definitely had before, the Miso Tacy, we haven't exactly had that one, but we've had a smaller like cup of soup one. Maybe the Kalos, the rice cakes, I think we've had them before as well. and I think that's about it, but the rest is generally new. New Vita and stuff like that. So yeah, a few familiars there, but I have been with them for over a year now, so I can't remember when we had them. I'd love to know your thoughts as always. What did you think of this month's box? Please let me know, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.